Nolan here with Toyota City in Wetaskiwin. Got a really nice vehicle that I have to show off today. We just got it in, just got it cleaned up, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta make a video. So anyways, this is a 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5. Lots of stuff done to this. It's got a nice lift kit. You can see they got the nice bar here, the nice light bar as well with the skid plate. This thing is not getting punctured. You can take it off-roading, anything, bump into stuff. You don't gotta worry. At nighttime when you're off-roading, you got the light bar. Nice, huge mags, huge rubber. Just look at that aggressive tread. This thing's awesome. It's totally awesome. Nice running boards. Rails on the top. Again, just take a step back and look at the lift too. This thing is hot. Take a peek inside. Low kilometers, 26,000. Power seat on both sides. Bluetooth, nav. Heated seats. Backup camera. Garage door sync. Sunroof too. Okay, let's open up that sunroof trim. This thing's gonna be a total ride in summertime. Back quick too. Mint condition. This thing's just shining everywhere. Of course, switch to the back. Just watch that glide up. It's a 7-seater if you need it. If you don't need it, just drop it right down. And that'll go straight down too. So this is an awesome vehicle. We just got this on the lot. This thing's not going to last very long. So if you want to know more about this vehicle, shoot me a text, 780-977-9050. My name is Nolan, or you can hit up Crim 2 here at the dealership, 352-2225. And yeah, this is Toyota City, home of the best used vehicles. As you can see, let your legacy start here.